Hello, welcome to the Friday first edition of the KV Core Like a Pro slash BoldTrail Academy free Friday session. Little different format here. The Friday session did not record live. Didn't record live. Not sure what happened, but I don't have that recording. And so what I'm doing right here is I'm going to come in and do a Cliff Notes version, if you will. We're going to re-record the session so that I can get the content out. It's really important because this content is dealing now with starting the pie challenge. And so I know that we're all kind of been focused on the pie challenge here for really the last month. And today's the day that we launch it, or yesterday, recording this on Saturday. So let's go over it. Before we get started, this is my BoldTrail Academy. It's on the school platform, SKOOL, and I'll put the link in the description. I really am putting all my content here in the school platform. I have my classrooms where I have my free Friday sessions. I'm working on the plays, the different plays that we have developed. The basics is a paid for class. I'm not done recording that yet. As well as the KV Core Digital Marketing. That is a paid for class. And then the tips and tricks, I have those recordings in there. They're just different quick explanations of different areas of the platform. So please go join the Academy. It's free. You have to create an account. But yeah, you'll stay connected with me and the different things that I'm putting out. I'm really going to move beyond the pie challenge, and we're going to move into different technologies that are related to the platform that I use to grow my business, and I think you should use it as well. So we're going to focus on that moving forward. Also, I have my YouTube channel, and I'll put the link in the description there. It's the same content. It's just through YouTube. I have just as many subscribers here as I do on my school platform, but I'd really like to get this thing growing, so please subscribe. And then, of course, I have my YouTube. I have 112 members there, and I'm mainly posting the notice of meetings there in my discussions currently right now, because this is Saturday. This is the token for the pie challenge that's in there. And then I have this video that I recorded with Steve Hillier and Angel Chapman. And this is detailed instructions on how to import the smart campaign for the pie challenge into your CRM. So again, I have the school platform, my YouTube channel, and Facebook. Okay, so let's jump into it. You're looking at my dashboard within my KV Core slash Bold Leads. This is my dashboard. You can see activity that's going on. And what I want to do is go into my demo. I'm going to go into my demo. And this is my demo database. You can see that I have demo hashtag up. And of course, I have my hairbands in there. And then I have Brent Gove. I think he would have been a good hairband member back in the day. Pitt Miller as well. Gary Meek is in there, and so on. And what I want to point out to you in this is that I have gone through in preparation for the pie challenge. I've gone into these and I've added hashtag pie. Okay, so the hashtag pie is in the contacts, and these, for this example, are the contacts I'm going to send pie to the smart campaign. So that's the thing you need to do. I had a number of calls yesterday into the evening from agents that were a little confused about this. You want to add hashtag pie. In fact, I just got off the phone with an agent actually in Hawaii, and she's like, "Hey, Alex, what's the most important thing I need to do?" I said, "Go into your database, get those top 25, top 50, top 75 that are your A clients, your number one clients that you want to send pie to, and include in this. Really, you're grateful for their business." So that's what you need to do. Add that hashtag in. Okay, it's important, and we'll come back to that. So now I'll go back to my dashboard just so that everyone's clear. This is helpful, gets everyone centered. And so here I am back at my dashboard. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down to marketing. And this is all marketing. Okay. So within this, I'm going to go in here to manage campaigns. And so I'm managing the campaign. And as you can see under my campaigns in my campaign library, I have the pie challenge here twice because I've been doing demos and I've been uploading. And so my campaigns are a little redundant sometimes because I'm doing demonstrations with them. But you only need it once. You only need it twice. We're going to go into this campaign. As you can see, I have my sharing token up here. And that'll be important here in a minute. So this is what you're sending out. So once you import this into your Smart Campaign library, just take some time to go in and understand what it is that we put together. This is a Smart Campaign that we designed, very basic, high first name, so it'll pull the first name in from the database. I'm excited to kick off the holiday season with my annual Pies of Gratitude giveaway. This is my way of saying thank you, and you can read the rest of it. So the message, it doesn't have a huge call to action. It's just, hey, we're giving away pies, and we're grateful for the relationship, and that's what we're doing. And so that's the first message that goes out, and that goes on day one that you start the campaign. Day two is this text message. Again, hello, first name, quick reminder, so on and so forth. Go in and read that. And then we have a phone call. I've queued this up so that the platform is going to tell you to call the client. You're going to call the client and say, hey, I just want to let you know I've included you as one of my special clients. I even put a little script in here. I just wanted to touch base to make sure you saw the introduction email about my Pies of Gratitude giveaway. You don't have to say that. It's just something I threw in there. You can say whatever you want. But the important part is that you pick up the phone and you make that call. Now, here we are on day 4. Day 4 is when we send the invite out. And so within this, it's time to pick your pies. And so I have apple or pumpkin. And then right here is the link. And let's get that link. I'm going to go and copy this. And let's go look at the link. And this is what it is. This is the link. Now, you guys, you can fill this out, or you can have your client fill this out. I'm going to include this link in the description below, so that if you're on the phone with a client and they say, yeah, I want a pie, you can go in and fill this out for the client. And then once it goes into the spreadsheet that this is linked to, they won't be able to sign up for it twice, or if they do, that's fine. It goes over the pickup dates, location of pickup, and a very basic form. So that's the sign up form, and this allows Pitt Miller to keep track of who's getting pies and how many and the pickup locations. So we think we got the logistics down, but the important thing is that that's what the campaign says. And so it's we're not out there asking for business. We are when they're going to pick up pies and just say, hey, I really value you as a client. Whatever your stick is, I really appreciate the referral. It'd be the ultimate honor to be able to get a referral from you. So that's what the campaign says. Go in and read it and understand what the messaging is. Now, let's get into the campaign itself. So, like I said, over here in my Facebook, I went ahead and posted the token. So this is the token for the campaign. And you copy that. So this is how easy it is. Guys, this is easy. Again, in the I have in my community, I have Steve and Angel explaining how to import the campaign. So if you get lost on this, it's sitting right here. We've really tried to over-explain, if you will. Here it is, how to import smart campaigns. So Angel, Steve, thanks for joining me on this. And so it's a 6-minute video. I'm not going to play it, but please go back and you can watch that video. I had both Angel and Steve go through and upload it just so that we make sure that we're over-explaining, if you will. Sometimes this can get confusing, especially if you're not familiar with the platform. I tend to be too simplistic sometimes because I know the platform so well. Just saying. So again, I'm here. I'm at my dashboard. I'm going into marketing, and what we're going to do now is we're going to add this campaign to my library. I'm going to go into all marketing, or I could just shortcut right here and go to smart campaigns. Both of these will take you there. So we're going to go in here. These two little boxes over here, you click on this. You paste in that token, and again, the token is over here on my Facebook, and I'll put it in the description below. Make sure you have plenty of places to find it. And you add it. Are you sure? Well, in this case, I'm going to say no, but you're going to say yes, because I have mine in there twice. So that's how easy it is. You just click yes, okay? And again, I'm explaining this, maybe over-explaining because people, they get intimidated by the platform. If you do make a mistake on this, it's very easy to remove the campaign from your database or from your library. Okay, so now we have it added in. We have it added into our campaigns. So now I'm going to go back here to my demo database. So you would go into all contacts. I'm just going to go to demo because, again, I'm dealing with a live database. I love you all, but I just don't want to share my personal contacts with you. So I'm going in here, and now pay attention. This is important, you guys. Over here under your filters. Okay, so I have saved filters up here. You won't have those. Don't pay attention to them. I'm going to switch over. Actually, let me go back. I don't need that. I have a pond running for a group, for a team. But I'm just going to leave the pond there. And now I'm going to go into hashtags. Okay, so remember I told you to go in and hashtag all of the clients you want to send pie to, hashtag them with pie. Okay, so that's what I've done right here. And now the system automatically sorts, and it's going to come up with all of the pies. So let me get rid of the demo. And so here's my pie. I have 118 with pie. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these all. So let's look at one more thing, okay? Within your results, look right here at rows. Look at rows, you guys. I have 250 is how many I'm showing per page. You may have 10, you may have chosen 25. I don't know what you have chosen, but I'm choosing 250 and I'm coming up with 118 results. So I'm going to now click on this box and I'm going to choose them all. Okay, so I just chose them all 118. And now I'm going to go over here to more actions. So I've selected them all. I'm now more actions. Now I go down here to add campaign. Myself out of the way. There's my pie challenge. So now I've chosen the campaign pie challenge, and now I'm going to add the campaign. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to do this because I don't want this going out to my demo database, but you will. And as soon as you hit this, the campaign starts. Okay, so if you do it outside of normal business hours, it's going to roll to the next day. Like I know someone tried to do it at 5 in the morning and was like, oh, I didn't go out. Well, it goes out. Trust me. It's just, it has to hit, I think, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. because we don't want to text and call and email people when they're sleeping or when it's before it's appropriate. So there it is. Then you add the campaign, and then it starts. You do it in bulk. You don't have to do it one at a time. So that's how you do that. So let me go back. I want to go through this again one more time. If you got it, then you're off to the races. You don't need to listen to this again. But I'm just going to go through this one more time so that we're clear. Now, I have the campaign loaded. We went over the token. We have all that. I'm going to go in here to my contacts. I'm going into my demo. Wait for this to load. Now I'm going to go in here to my filters. And now I'm going to go pi. And you wait for it to come up. See how it came up? Pi. You want to wait for that. That's important. And now it's sorted. And as you can see, I have 133 in here. I'm going to choose all of these. This box right here, you can see all the check boxes mark up. Within this space, I make sure I have enough rows that I'm showing. Now I'm going to go to More Actions, Add Campaign. And I'm going to choose Pi and then Add Campaign. That's it. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's very simple. Don't be intimidated by it. But that's how you do that. So that's what I have for you guys. I apologize the video didn't record initially. I don't know why that happened. I'm going to have to work through it. Still kind of learning the different processes here. But that's the Pi Challenge on how to start it. And like I say, I'll put all these links into the description so you have them. If you do have questions, as always, you can pick up the phone and give me a call. All right. Good luck giving away pies. I hope this is a huge success. Remember, the main goal of this isn't really to give away pies, but it's to connect with your database, remind people that you're a realtor, that they know, like, and trust, and just remind people that you're out there and say, hey, we are grateful for this relationship. So keep that in mind as you're going through this process. It's just gratitude. Gratitude, saying thank you. Here's a pie. The phone calls I've made on this, my clients just kind of laugh and they're like, "Oh, Alex, it's my quarterly phone call or my biannual phone call. What do you got for me?" Hey, I got a pie. Oh, we love pie. That's great. So if you are practicing what we're showing you within KV Core and databasing, these phone calls are going to be fun. If you haven't been doing this, if you haven't been reaching out to your database, you don't need to be apprehensive about it because you don't know what to say. You know what to say now. You say, hey, I want to give you a pie, and just say thank you. All right. That's what I got for you guys. Go in, run the play, the Pie Challenge play, and the important part of this, the important part is that what we're showing you is that you can go in and create a specific custom campaign. You can tailor it however you like, on whatever schedule you like, using whatever messaging you want to do, and then you can go into your database, microsort your database, and send that messaging out. That's really the objective of what we are doing within the Pie Challenge. The Pie Challenge is just the vehicle to show you how powerful the platform is in getting the messaging out. Okay, thanks you guys. I feel like I'm rambling on, so I'm just going to stop it here. But I look forward to hearing everyone's results, and I'll see you next Friday.